Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to repost Instagram story. Alright guys, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and if we want to repost Instagram story, we have to be tagged or mentioned in someone else's Instagram story. And after we have been tagged or mentioned, we will get the notification on our Instagram direct message. So we can go to Instagram direct message, and this is the account who mentioned me in a story. I'm going to click on it. Then if we want to repost the story, we just need to click on add to your story. Okay, then here we can edit the story before we post it. We can add music, sticker, or maybe filter. It's up to you. And then I'm just going to make it full. We can click on the photo or the image to get the full screen like this. Then we just need to click on your story to repost this Instagram story. Okay, and now the Instagram story is being reposted, and I'm going to check it on my Instagram homepage. I'm just going to click on my story. Okay, as you can see that now the story is being posted, and okay, this is the result. Alright guys, and that's how we can repost Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.